Hi, and welcome back to NucLab with Lisa Ann, the place you DIY yourself to safety. Today's location is a little bit different. We are in our DIY because I'm going to teach you how to make a DIY shelter to protect yourself from the initial blast.
You are going to tape the blinds together so they do not come apart. If you have enough time, I would highly recommend you weaving the tape and not just taping them together. Once you've done that, get another set of blinds and repeat the process. Then cut the blinds off of the main attachment and tie the excess strings together. You then wrap the blinds around your table. You may need to cut the blinds to fit underneath the table.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to DIY your way to safety.